Hey guys, so today in today's video is going to be about this Lego gun. It's kind of big, but so like I said in my other videos, my last two videos, the link to build this will be in the description. So here's how it works. You pull this trigger and then there's this mechanism inside. You want to pull this and then it'll shoot out this ammo. I mean, you can build it if you want, but I've only been lucky to make it shoot a few times, but the mechanism is pretty simple. It's just some rubber bands, and if I push on the trigger here, you'll see that go down and up again. And then once again you pull this thing back, the ammo goes like right here. You close it, it'll fall on top of it and then shoot out. So like I said, I haven't been lucky enough to see it shoot all the time, but I'll try. So goes here, close it on top. There we go. Alright, I'll push the trigger, do this, and hopefully it shoots. Oh, there we go. Right over there. It actually shot this time. Well, that was my review on this Lego gun. And like I said at the start of the video, the link is in the description. And I'll see you next time. Bye.